The salt range is about to begin. This is my favorite area. I love to travel on this salt range. During the daytime, it is quite a fun because we can look around, we can look on the hills, we can look on it from the very different angle. But as for the night time is concerned, all what we can see is the lights of the vehicles and nothing more at all. But despite all that, as for the salt range area is concerned, to be frank and to be straightforward, really it is a lot of fun to be here. So this is a restaurant and a workshop and a prayer place, mosque or masjid. So this is for at the bottom of the salt range. Here the elevation has started. From the front side you can see the vehicles are arriving. We can see the lights of the vehicle. Here the air conditioner of the vehicle has been switched off because it is a lot of burden on the engine. The engine have to exert more power because we are ascending at a faster rate. Something is wrong with this vehicle. There you can see the lights. It is a village at the bottom of the hill. Truckers. As far these trucks are concerned, they love to travel during the night time. What's the reason, I don't know, but they keep sleeping during the daytime and they keep traveling during the night time. Traffic from the front side. This salt range will take maybe a little bit of the time, not much, but it's quite a romantic type of travel. The motorways never sleep. The service areas and the motorways never sleep. These remain awake for the whole of the night. Ambulance is ahead of us. Look at this vehicle, something wrong again. Since it is there are
शीशा खोला ऐसे फिर लासा जरा चढ़ाई चढ़ रहे हैं कहाँ बंद की थी
Once we are on the motorways, even when we left Lahore for Islamabad, it seemed that Islamabad is not far away. Why? Because the travel on the motorways is very easy. It's very comfortable indeed. All what is needed is that we need to have a good vehicle.
جی
Some of the buses are very old. Some of the buses, new buses.
ہو گیا
Look at
نہیں ہوا
because these move in the caravan
ہیں
led by the police vehicle.
انکل والی سائڈ کا ذرا خراب ہے وہ پھر اے سی لگاتے ہیں یہ چڑھائی چڑھائی پر تین نیچے ہے نا ہوا
But these vehicles are moving in a caravan led by the police vehicle. Why?
ہاں صاحب آپ نے کہاں جانا ہے وہ پنڈی تو جائیں گے کدھر جانا ہے گھر کدھر ہے منڈی موڑ جانا ہے
Beautiful. Look at this beautiful road. Particularly in the Salt Range. The trouble with the night is that we cannot look away from the road. The road is well lit. There is a good amount of light on the road and we can watch whatever is going on. But during the daytime we can look on the right side and the left side. On the hill, on the downhill, we can keep eyeing, we can keep looking all that. But all during the daytime.
یہ جو امریکہ یہ گھاس ہے نا کورین
جی
اس کو پانی چاہیے ہوتا ہے کھلا
جیسے چاول کی فصل کو چاہیے.
ہاں جی
Look at this Korean grass.
چاول کو بھی چاہیے اور یہ جو ناریل ہوتا ہے اس کو بھی بہت پانی چاہیے یہ بھی سمندر کے کنارے یہ ناریل ہوتا ہے چھوٹے گھبرانا نہیں آپ کی سیٹ خالی ہو رہی ہے ٹھیک ہے بس انکل کا سٹاپ آ گیا
بلکہ سر
آپ کا شکریہ جو آپ نے سیٹ دے دی بہت مہربانی آپ کی کیونکہ آپ پہلے بیٹھے ہوئے میں کبھی بھی کوئی بندہ پہلے بیٹھا ہو اس کو نہیں اتارتا لیکن یہ بڑے تھے تو میں نے کہا چلو انہوں نے بھی ریکویسٹ کی تھی تو پھر اس وقت ٹائم ایسا تھا کہ جلدی تھی سب کو آپ کو بھی جلدی تھی مجھے بھی جلدی تھی
کل آپ وہاں پڑے آپ غصے سے بھی اگر کہتے تو
نہیں پھر پہاڑی کے اوپر آیا وہاں ٹھنڈی ہو گئی ہے نیچے گرم تھی اب اوپر ٹاپ پہ آئے ہیں نا تو
Color Kahar is very cold during the night. Even during the summer season, weather in Color Kahar during the night is very good, really, very enjoyable. Maybe because of the lake, because there is a lot of water in the lake, because there are water springs,
اوپر کروں دوبارہ لگاؤں گا
because of the huge amount of
انکل سے پوچھے نا یہ کہہ رہے
plantation.
گرمی لگ رہی ہے چل.
There are villages, houses on the sides, on the left side of the motorway. Look at all these vehicles, buses are waiting. These will be taken downward in the, in a caravan-like form, led by a vehicle of the police. Why? Because otherwise these bus drivers, they are seen speeding. They don't observe the speed limit, which is very, very dangerous, and which has caused so many of the accidents, so many of loss of the precious life. That is why police has imposed a ban that they can only travel in this salt range, in the custody while following a police vehicle. We are pretty close to the Color Kahar service area. Every service area, particularly the Color Kahar service area, it is very enjoyable to be at during the night time in particular, and while sitting there on chairs, enjoying the weather, enjoying the atmosphere, that is something really great. It is very pleasant. I have already experienced it. It is worth experimenting. And the Color Kahar service area is about to arrive. Hardly within a few minutes only, maybe in a couple of minutes, there will be a service area of Color Kahar. But if we look on the right and on the left of the motorways, it is total and absolute dark. There is no village here, no houses, no lights at all. It is total and complete dark. While returning to the motorway, where so many of the vehicles are going and coming, there is a light here, and it is really good to travel during the night time on the motorways, particularly here in the Salt Range area. I remember we used to travel on the GT road. The traffic on the GT road is quite chaotic. It is disorganized. It is not so easy, not so pleasant at all to travel on the GT road, on the Grand Trunk road. But as far the motorways are concerned, it is really very easy. It is safe, it is comfortable. It saves time. Lot of traffic coming from the front side, but as far this our side is concerned, there isn't much traffic, or maybe it seems so. or care, but it is good. There are fewer vehicles there. In a minute or two, we will be at the service area, which is very, very well lit. Service area color Kahar has arrived. On the left first and on the right then. Look at this beautiful service area. And then of course there is Color Kahar town. Color Kahar is still a village. It's not a city. It is a tehsil headquarter. It is a picnic spot. It has become famous. It has become more famous than my hometown Chitwar. But as for the population of Color Kahar is concerned, the population is very little indeed. It is still a village. Although there is a 3-star hotel, there is a lakeside tourist resort. Lot of tourists come here, particularly after the construction. This is the other side of the service area. In a couple of minutes, I will be out on the motorways. But till then, we can keep watching whatever is going on. Here on the left of me, the lights you are watching. This is the village. This is the town of Color Kahar. So there is not much population here. The population is not much, but it is being a tourist resort. It has become famous.